Hello night vision enthusiasts. We've noticed that many of our customers have been reaching out with a common question: how do I focus my BushOwl night vision scope NV009? Well, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of achieving crystal clear focus with your BushOwl NV009 in just 2 simple steps. Let's dive right in. Your night vision scope features 2 key components: the diopter lens and the objective lens. The diopter, located in the eyepiece, in front of the screen, fine-tunes the clarification of the screen for your eyes. On the other hand, the objective lens, situated at the scope's front, refines the overall view image clarity. Now, to focus your NV009, start by adjusting the diopter for crisp camera and embedding crosshairs and icons. Then, fine-tune the image clarity by rotating the objective lens until your target is sharp. This dual-step process ensures your BushOwl NV009 is perfectly attuned for your night vision escapades. Explore confidently in the dark and stay tuned for more BushOwl insights. Whether you're on a nighttime hunt, exploring the great outdoors, or engaging in tactical operations, having a perfectly focused night vision scope can make all the difference. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments. We're here to answer any further questions you might have. Stay tuned for more tips, tutorials, and exciting content from BushOwl. Happy focusing and happy night vision adventures!